Hey friends, if you wish to activate Windows 11 through command prompt, then just forget it. You cannot do it. There are a lot of command prompt commands across other websites and channels. They may or may not work. In most of the cases, they will not. So, if you encounter such an issue, there is something called as an activation troubleshooter, and this will be prompted when you face the problem. So, here's what it looks like exactly. I'll show you. Wait, let the image resolve, and then I will load it again. This is what it looks like. Just click on this troubleshoot button and it will fix the problem. This is practically the only thing that you can do to activate Windows if it's not activating. Otherwise, your license may have an issue. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.